Meaning of grand unified theory.
Grand unified theory.
Grand unified theory.
Grand unified theory.
Grand unified theory. A grand unified theory, GUT, is a theoretical framework in physics that aims to unify three fundamental forces: electromagnetism, weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force, into a single force. The ultimate goal of a GUT is to explain all of the phenomena in the universe through a single theoretical framework. Physicists hope that a GUT will provide insight into the behavior of matter at the most fundamental level, leading to a deeper understanding of the universe. However, despite numerous attempts, a complete and empirically validated GUT remains elusive.